When it comes to caring for a hot tub, we wanted something that's not just effective, but exceptional. Oyuck's 5-in-1 Weekly Hot Tub Care is the gold standard in hot tub water care. Designed to maintain luxury level clarity and comfort week after week. It cleans beneath the surface, lifting residue, oils, and buildup to keep the water truly fresh. It conditions the water so it feels soft, silky, and smooth against your skin with every soak. It helps control your spa's chemistry, keeping pH and balance steady without constant adjustments. And it combats surface buildup and dullness, preserving that pristine look between uses. How to use: pour a ½ ounce into every 100 gallons of water. And no need to wait, enjoy your soak. And just repeat once a week. Spa stays beautifully clean, balanced, and inviting, all with one weekly dose. It's luxury level care made effortless. Oyuck's 5-in-1 Weekly Hot Tub Care. Experience the gold standard in spa care. So run and try it today.